but you're breaking it down. It falls to the ground, 'cause I had lost what you just found. The noise all around, I'm drowning it out, like we're the only ones in the crowd. 'Cause you save me now, save me now, save me now, save me now, save me
At the end of the Manuka flowering season, honey boxes are collected from hive sites around the countryside and brought to our honey extraction facility. The full honey boxes are stored here, alongside extracted boxes ready to go back out to hive sites, and drums of extracted honey that are ready for sending to the export facility to pack and label into retail pots.
These are the boxes that have come back from our Manuka sites. Let me explain a little bit about the extraction process so you can see how it's done. These boxes, they come through here and they're put onto this machine here, which takes the frames out of the box. It's a deboxer. Then they go along a little conveyor belt here to another machine which takes the wax capping off the outside of the frames. Knives go like that and the cappings come off. It then comes along here to what they call the honey loosener. Because Manuka honey is so thick, it needs to be loosened before we can get it out of the frames. So once the honey's come out of the honey loosener, it goes into here, into the extractor, which spins around really fast and gets the rest of the honey out of those frames. The frames are then taken and put back in their boxes, ready to go back out to the Manuka sites. Once the honey comes out of the frames, it's then pumped around through what they call a centrifuge. The centrifuge spins around really fast, and because the honey's heavier, it goes to the outside, the wax goes to the centre, and that cleans the wax away from the honey. The honey is then sent down through and comes through a filter over the other side, a 200 micron filter bag, which filters the honey so it's absolutely pristine. And then it's pumped out into the big vat, ready to be drummed up. As you can see, the honey comes out from the extraction plant all pristine and clean and goes into this big vat, which holds about 9 tonne. And the honey is stirred in there, and it's pumped then into these brand new sterile drums. Each drum holds about 300 kilos of honey. From here, it's then shipped down to the plant in Hamilton.